Namaskar. Friends, it is my pleasure to interact with you again, and this time I would like to tell you about our forthcoming initiative, Bharat Ko Janiye Quiz. As you are all aware, the Ministry of External Affairs has been organizing this quiz contest for the last 3 years, and this year is going to be the third edition of the Bharat Ko Janiye Quiz for NRIs, people of Indian origin, and foreign nationals who want to know more about India. The registration for this quiz contest opened on 1st of November and the registration process is still on, the last date of registration being 30th November 2020. Over a period of the next month, that is in the month of December, we will have the second or the qualifying round, and finally in the last week of December we will have the final round of this quiz contest. The questions expected in the quiz contest pertain to India's culture, history, traditions, etc. In fact, it will provide you an opportunity to know more about India as you participate in this quiz. The most important attraction will be, of course, a visit to India for the winners in this quiz contest. I would like to point out that in the previous years we have got really good participation from people from Germany, and we are looking forward to your participation in this contest this year as well. In case you have any further questions about participation in this quiz contest, please don't hesitate to write to us, and a lot of details are already available on our social media channels as well as our consulate website. Your further queries, if any, you can also send them to us on pic.frankfurt@mea.gov.in. And over and above that, in case you want to know more about how are the questions likely to be in the quiz contest and any other information about this quiz contest, you are welcome to visit the website www.bharatkojaniye.in. I look forward to your participation in this contest, and I am sure this year we will be getting even bigger and more vibrant response to this quiz contest, which has been the case in the previous years as well. Welcome and join us in this initiative. Thank you very much. Namaskar.